What's up guys, it's Lanzo. We're at Kodawari. Today the boys are invested in a bit of a PPF project. It's not a full body, but it's the front portion of this beauty behind me right over here, this Porsche GT3 RS. We're also going on a bit of a supply run today to get some more parts for the mezzanine, some more supplies. That's been an ongoing project that we've been trying to tackle throughout the year, but you know, things come up, things change, and we gotta shift gears every so often. So it's kind of been, you know, on our mind, but today we actually have some time to grab things for it.
Ready?
Oh yeah, buddy.
Okay, we're gonna head over to Apex Motoring. Nate's gonna lend us his truck, and then head over to Home Depot and pick up some drywall and some channels.
So we just picked up the dually from Nate. Shout out to Nate from Apex Motoring for lending us this one-of-a-kind vehicle. So yeah, we're en route to the Home Depot, grab some supplies. Yeah, Cybertruck life?
Cybertruck OE09.
Okay. So that was a bit of a workout. We finally have the drywall and the furring channels. Now it's just sorting out how to tie this guy down, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna be back around lunchtime. We'll see what happens. Mission accomplished, bro.
Now yeah, we gotta get this heavy payload home without murking anything. So 5/8 is commercial grade, and it's it's better for fireproof.
Mm-hmm.
It's thicker. It's made of like a denser material. I think there's fiberglass inside of it.
Damn.
Whereas like residential is just 1/2 inch. It's supposed to be light, just enough to get the walls up.
We just got back from Home Depot. It's hot as f, and we got two mans out here trying to hand bomb 33 sheets of 5/8 drywall. It's not fun. Now it's getting the gloves on.
We're leaving the guys in 3 weeks for the West Coast, so we're gonna get the work in now.
Yeah.
So that we can enjoy our vacation.
All right, let me drop this and I'll come help you.
Great day. Got a lot of shit done. We just finished hand bombing 33 sheets of 5/8 drywall up here. Finished a few cars, and Nate lent us the truck, so we dropped that off, and you know, we had an excuse to take the NSX out to Apex and drive back. So you know, just enjoying those little moments of rest and enjoying enjoying that beautiful car. As you guys know, we're turning this into a studio, and the rule of thumb is to kind of isolate the noise, layering two layers of 5/8 drywall. Right now we have kind of the exposed studs. These are special brackets that are going to help isolate the noise. This is going to be mounted to the framing, the existing framing, and then this rubber piece is kind of going to help isolate a physical connection to the floating wall that we're making, right? So this bracket's going to go here, and then we're going to be mounting these furring channels. So let's just slide right in there. And after that, we'll be mounting both layers of drywall with this green glue sandwiched in between. We're supposed to pipe out 2 bottles of this green glue. This is a noise proofing compound, but this should help isolate and create a mass to reduce the vibrations and sound transmitting through. There are still trusses that are going through, so it won't be perfect. If you just normally have the drywall anchored to the framing, the screw that's physically connected to the framing is gonna allow for noise vibration to go through the framing, through the screw, into the drywall. So this bracket, it helps isolate that vibration. So yeah, this is hopefully gonna help create and make this room a little bit quieter for us to film and post our podcast and stuff like that while there's service going on in the shop. Yeah, that was how we ended off the day, and we're making it a goal to try and get as much of this room done before we leave for Vancouver. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Thank you again for everyone who continues to support us and follow our content, follow what we're doing at the Kodawari. If you guys like this, like and subscribe. We're gonna start to pick things up in terms of our builds, the shop build, create more content that you guys enjoy following along on this crazy journey of ours.